Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed a bunch of different projects on here, and one of them is animate a joke. So in this one, it shows some characters, and they're basically just moving around and animating some kind of a joke. And a little side note in here, the character that is using the voice right here is actually my wife. So a little guest appearance there by Grace. All right, so the project we're going to look at is News at 5, a Pat V Round 1 animation, and this is by Mythical Bookworm. So let's hit the green flag and see what happens. I like the sounds.
Hello, and this is 5 o'clock news. I'm Tara McLara.
Hi.
A fight recently broke out between a $50 bill and a dime.
Oh no.
The $50 bill was severely injured, nearly cut in half,
Wow.
yet the dime is missing. Most likely, it fell in the gutters where the rats have taken it. It is presumed dead.
Wow.
Hello?
Hi.
Can anyone hear me?
Yeah,
I'm not dead or anything.
that's good.
We got rid of rats and stuff like that ages ago. So I'm fine.
An unfortunate fate. In other news, the annual dance battle
All right, I love it. So I love how they added in different sounds, different animations, all sorts of stuff. If you want to check out their project, make sure you look in the description. And if you've got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.